Let's say you have started programming and don't know where to start. It's very likely that you are watching this video, reading that book, and taking bits and pieces from here and there. It's very likely to get overwhelmed and disorganized. I'll show you how to proceed in an organized way. Some start programming by taking a course or YouTube tutorial or a website. It doesn't matter how you start. But once you start, it's important to understand the level of resource you're using and whether it is helping you to level up effectively as a programmer. There are several websites for learning how to code. In the next few lectures, I'll talk about each of them because independently, they can help you to level up and learn programming in an organized way. Among the popular websites, one of the most popular ones is Kaggle. You sign up, you log in, and you see your account like this. Now, how to navigate this? How to use Kaggle to meaningfully make progress as a programmer. First, navigate through the website. Here, at the top of the home page, you can see your progress, how many codes you have written, how many competitions you have participated in, etc. It automatically keeps the stats, so you don't have to worry about it. This account is fairly new, so you can see that the numbers are small. Now, the sections that you can use to level up. The first section that you can use is the Learn section. Here, you'll find introductory courses on coding, like Intro to Python. If you want to have a solid grasp on Python and machine learning, take this in sequence: Intro to Machine Learning, Intermediate Machine Learning, and Pandas. Then you can go to Deep Learning if needed. The courses are not that long, so that's a good thing. So, taking the courses will take a total of 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 equal to 16 hours. There are hands-on examples, so you will be able to get your hands dirty. The second one that you can use is the competition section. There are a lot of competitions going on, but if you're a beginner, then first learn from the courses, meaning spend 16 hours, and then come to the competitions. And when you start competing, start with the Getting Started competitions. These are very enriched projects on machine learning and give you an idea of how to submit your code in the Kaggle platform. Some have also detailed documentation, so if you go through a few of them, I would suggest at least 5, you'll be able to understand the concepts you have learned from the course and how to implement them in real-world problems. For example, in the Titanic problem, they have shown step-by-step how to solve the problems. These Getting Started competitions are ongoing, meaning no deadline and no pressure, and you can pace yourself. Once you have got yourself accustomed with the introductory projects, you should explore at least a few of the competitive projects. These have deadlines and prize money, so they are definitely more challenging. Now, several other ways to utilize Kaggle for your own projects. One exclusively good thing about Kaggle is the dataset sections. It has a vast collection of datasets, formatted and fine-tuned for specific problems. Some are trending, some are category specific, like the internet, education, etc. You can also search for something. Let's say you want to test a code on a dataset and you want a dataset already built. If it's a popular problem, like predicting house price, you will have some datasets available on Kaggle. Similarly, the model section is also very helpful. It has a wide collection of machine learning models ready to use. If you don't want to code from the scratch and prefer to start with a template and then fine-tune later, then Kaggle has got you covered. On some occasions, you might find the code section and the discussion sections helpful too. So what's the point of this discussion? The point is, if you don't want to overwhelm yourself and want to learn everything about programming from one place, Kaggle might be a good option and a good starting point. Thanks.